Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I did a model of the closed air blast load or composite or CFRP composite military helmet here. You can see this is a protective helmet which is made by carbon fiber or CFRP, and we use a huge amount of the explosive material to investigate the damage and failure. So let me to click on this. Let me to make it a little bit slower and then run the animation and see the blast load and the stress and this damage mechanism which happen. Let me to request damage criterion such as Hashim damage criterion. You can see this is the compressive tension damage for the fiber. This is compression damage, sorry, this is the tension. We use 8 layer for the fiber with different orientation in each layer. For the matrix, compression here, tension here, and then the blast pressure or blast force in contact blast force, then the displacement and everything. Okay, and this is the last frame. You can see that the last frame here. And also the reaction force, we can plot it here. This is the reaction force, the huge amount of the reaction force during the blast explosion. So if you need to model the military helmet here, which is made by CFRP composite material under the blast load, you can come to our website www.abacusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here. This is the English tutorial. Click on the title or blue sign, and then you will have a short explanation about the geometry, assembly, material method, step interaction load, and the mesh, and their result as figures. You can see them here. You can provide CAI in English video file step by step for this tutorial. The cost for that 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, a Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address. Thank you for attention.